Verifying your identity on TikTok can be challenging, especially if your initial attempt fails. Follow these steps to successfully navigate the verification process. Step 1. Review TikTok's verification requirements. Ensure you meet TikTok's criteria for verification. This typically includes having a complete profile, a certain number of followers, and being active on the platform. Familiarize yourself with these requirements to strengthen your application. Step 2. Check your profile information. Make sure all your profile information is accurate and up to date. This includes your username, bio, and any linked social media accounts. Inconsistencies can lead to verification issues, so double-check everything. Step 3. Gather supporting documents. Prepare any necessary documents that prove your identity. This may include a government-issued ID, business registration documents, or other relevant credentials. Ensure these documents are clear and legible. Step 4. Submit a new verification request. Once you have reviewed your profile and gathered your documents, go to the verification section in the app and submit a new request. Provide all required information and attach the supporting documents to enhance your chances of success. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your request, be patient and wait for TikTok to review your application. This process can take some time, so check your notifications regularly for any updates or further instructions from TikTok. By following these steps, you can improve your chances of successfully verifying your identity on TikTok. Good luck,